Amazon is a competitive marketplace. And if you want to launch a new product on Amazon, you might feel that the market is completely saturated with similar products. However, imagine if there was one way, a small little change that you can do right now to your product if you're about to launch it, or if you have already launched it and are currently selling it on Amazon, that can help you stand out. And no, this does not involve making customized changes to the product, but it does involve maybe creating what is known as a bundle. So in this video, we're going to be exploring the frequently bought together box. If you are an Amazon customer, and even if you're an Amazon seller, you've probably seen this frequently bought together box inside of your Amazon page. What is it exactly? How does it work? And how can you utilize the information in that frequently bought together box in order to stand out and compete better on Amazon? We're going to discuss all of these details in this video. Plus, I'm going to show you an easy way of how you can find your competitors on Amazon, your soon-to-be competitors or your current competitors, using Helium 10. So let's get started. Thinking of ways outside of the box that can help you stand out is, well, it's a necessity when you're selling a product on Amazon. Not only that, thinking of ways that can save your customer money, give them a better shopping experience, and make things more convenient, well, that helps a lot in getting a customer to purchase your product. And on the other hand, as a seller, what you want to do, well, you want to increase your sales. So looking at the frequently bought together box can be really interesting because it can help you identify exactly what customers are purchasing within the same transaction while they purchase your product, or maybe even a product that is your competitor. Now, once you identify and you understand what people are buying together, now you can think about creating a set and selling it as one unit, or even you can have your base product and additionally create a variation with that set. We're going to be using the shower curtain in this video as an example. You'll notice that most people buying a shower curtain are also buying the actual rod where they can place the curtain on. So imagine if you are currently selling a shower curtain and you're thinking about ways to be a little bit different than other sellers and potentially save your customers money and stand out. One thing that you can do is you can sell the shower curtain alone and then create a variation where customers can buy the shower curtain and the rod. Another example would be maybe customers are looking to buy more than one shower curtain, so you can actually just sell them a set of 2 shower curtains and you can actually provide them 2 separate designs. That is the concept of bundling. However, to make sure that the bundling is done properly, meaning you are actually providing 2 products together that customers want to buy together or value buying together, here comes the frequently bought together box. So I'm on Amazon UAE and I'm going to click on the best seller under the keyword shower curtain. And I'm just going to scroll down to the frequently bought together box. As you can see here, customers are buying a shower curtain, they're buying a rod, and they're buying another shower curtain as a whole set together. Hence why Amazon here is suggesting that they buy all of these products together and just simply click one box in order to add all of these products together. Now, one of the questions that I get a lot is, how does the frequently bought together box work? Is it actually real? Yes, it is real. It's based on Amazon's algorithm. And remember, Amazon knows all of its customers' behaviors and their data. So it assesses and analyzes products that customers are buying together in one transaction. And here comes the frequently bought together box. Sometimes the frequently bought together box doesn't really make a lot of sense, to be quite honest, because sometimes the products aren't really related, but most of the times they are. Now, certainly you don't want to look only at one listing. And here's a smarter way of figuring out who are the top sellers in the space so that you can assess their frequently bought together box. Let's utilize tools, because tools help us figure out things much faster, working smarter and not harder. Here we're on Helium 10, and As you probably know, if you watch videos on this channel, I constantly talk about Helium-10. It's a great tool that you can use as an Amazon seller. If you're currently selling on Amazon UAE, Helium-10 does offer all of its features for Amazon UAE. However, hopefully soon it'll also be offering for Amazon KSA. So we've logged into the tools and we've selected Cerebro under keyword research. So what we're looking to do here is, we're not looking for the keywords, to be quite honest. I added the ASIN number for the product that we just saw a little while ago. I'm not going to click on get keywords. What I want is, I want to get competitors. Now, this list of competitors is based on what exactly? Helium-10 is assessing the top keywords for that best-selling product and giving me the best sellers for those top keywords. So these are not just random products, these are best-selling products under the best-selling keywords of the bestseller. So these are the best of the best. And as you can see here, we've got 9 competitors. All I really need to do is, I can click on the product itself, or I can just copy the ASIN and add it into Amazon so that I can find the product. Let's do it for this product. So let's copy the ASIN here, add it into the Amazon search box, and just wait for the search. Here is the product. Let's log into the page, and frequently bought together box is interesting because it involves the shower curtain itself, some additional rings, and a telescopic shower, the rod, which is very interesting. So yeah, this is something that you could also look at, and it could be beneficial. Now remember, if you want some more secrets and tips, all you need to do is to go to the description box of this video and find our downloadable PDF file so that you can get all of our secrets. And remember also to subscribe to the channel if you love everything related to Amazon and specifically in the Middle East. Like this video and leave me your comments and questions in the comments section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.